Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add some effects to your Instagram notes. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To add a note, all you need to do is head to your Instagram and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, go to your DMs by tapping on this message icon. Here, tap on your profile icon, and now you can type anything you want in here. But here's the fun part. Instagram has a hidden little effect that appears when you use certain celebration-themed emojis like balloon, birthday cake, party popper, and other. All you have to do is type in one of these emojis, and when you post your note, it'll have this cool celebratory animation. Look at that. You've got balloons, confetti, and all sorts of festive vibes going on, and that's it. It's super easy and a fun way to spice up your Instagram notes. So that's basically how you can add some effects to your Instagram notes. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.